Welcome, dear customer. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have booked a table for two.
Would you like to eat and drink?
Can I have a menu, please?
Here you are.
I like some French onion soup for starter.
Would you like anything else?
I like rabbit with vegetable for main course and mixed green salad for side dish. After meal, I want an apple pie with cream for dessert.
Here you are.
How much is the total?
It is 1 million Vietnam đồng.
This meal is good taste.
I am glad you like it. Thanks for dining with you.
Bye.
Goodbye. We hope to see you again soon.